Ready for a burst of sweet and sour fun? Dive into our rainbow of flavors. Sweet, tangy, and oh so irresistible. From juicy gummies to ultra-sour belts, every bite is an adventure.
I'm so sleepy right now. Oh, I have an idea. Gummy. That wakes me up. Sour belt. Gummy bear. That wakes me up. Now I want to continue to do my assignment. Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Tengku Nur Aisyah Teguh Kamar Zaman. So what are the benefits of these yummiest snacks? So the first one is tasty and fun. Why? Because they taste good and are fun to eat with gummies being chewy and sour belts giving a tangy flavor. The second one is quick energy. Why? Because they have sugar. They can give you a quick energy boost when needed. For example, for students in class, they are getting bored or sleepy, they can consume these gummies and sour belts to wake them up. So the third one is it has a lot of flavors. There are many different flavors, so you can pick what you like the best. For example, I like gummy bears and Coca-Cola gummy, so I pick the gummy bears and Coca-Cola gummy. So the fourth one is it is easy to carry. You can take them with you wherever you go and eat them anytime. So the last one is these snacks will make you happy. Why? Because eating sweet treats can make some people feel good or lift their mood. But just remember, it is best to eat them in small amounts because they have a lot of sugar and don't have much nutrition. And also it is unhealthy, but you can consume it sometimes. That's all. Are you looking for some tasty snacks to satisfy your sweet tooth? You can try our gummies and sour belts. The perfect combination of chewy, fruity goodness and tangy fun. So why you will love them? Because it is very delicious flavors from sweet to sour, and we've got a flavor for every craving. Not only that, it is also perfect for any time, whether you're at home, on the go, or at a party. They are easy to enjoy anytime. And do you guys need a quick energy kick? Our gummies and sour belts will give you just the right pick-me-up. So get yours today. Order now and treat yourself to the yummiest, most fun snack around. Don't wait, your taste buds will thank you. Bye bye.